Select rectangular marquee tool, select the area, go to select inverse. With the help of quick selection tool, select the hair of the girl. And then add a layer mask. I'm going to name the layer girl. Go to File, Open, select the image. Drag the image in our file. Drag the layer below. Name the layer Earth. Press P for pen tool. Draw an arc and select the rest of the image randomly. Click on Selection, feather radius 5 pixels and add a layer mask to delete the rest of the portion. Add a layer below Earth layer. Press Alt plus backspace to fill it with black color. Select the image and drag in our file. Keep the layer below Earth layer. Press Ctrl plus T and resize it. Change the blending mode to linear light. Select the Earth layer. Go to Effects and select Inner Glow. Set the color to F37006. Size 200 pixels. Blend mode Screen. Opacity around 50%. Add a new layer below the Earth layer. Press B for brush tool and brush over the edges of the earth to give a glowing effect. The reason I'm not applying outer glow is because I want the glow to spread more. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 200 pixels. Decrease the opacity to 65%. Select the girl layer, go to Adjustment, select Brightness and Contrast, click on Clipping Mask, lower the brightness and increase the contrast. Go to Adjustment, select Levels, select Clipping Mask and set the shadow to 55. Add a new layer, press B for brush tool, set the foreground color to black, opacity around 40% and add more darkness. Now let's add some reflection of light. Add a new layer. Set the foreground color to the same color of your inner glow. Set opacity around 55%. Decrease the brush size by pressing open box bracket. Hold shift and draw a line. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius around 25 pixels. And opacity around 80%. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. and move above by pressing up arrow button. Decrease the opacity to 58%. Select Quick Selection tool and select the girl. Press Alt to deselect the unwanted pixels. Add a new layer above the adjustment layer. Press B for brush tool. Decrease the opacity and brush over the edges. Now set the foreground color to black. Press X to toggle foreground and background color and brush over. Press P for pen tool and make a rectangle. Convert it to selection. Add a new layer above the adjustment layers. Press B for brush tool. Adjust the opacity and brush over. Add a layer mask and clear the color over the girl's hair. Decrease the opacity to 65%. Select moon image from file. Go to select subject. Drag the moon in our file. Press Ctrl plus T for transform and resize it. Place it around the corner. Go to Effects, Color Overlay. Select the same glow color. Blend mode Vivid Light. Opacity 25%. Select the top layer. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge all the layers. You can add different shade if you want. Go to Adjustment and select Color Lookup.